How to add Instagram on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your TikTok application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now tap on account and tap on switch to a business account. Now tap on next. Now select a category and tap on next. Now tap on escape. Now go back. Now tap on edit profile. Now scroll down a bit. Under social, tap on add Instagram. Now log into your ID. Now tap on login. Now tap on allow. Again, tap on allow. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to search a topic? Drop down the comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.